So welcome to 3Dify. So today we are using pretty much the last bit of what filament I've actually got. I do have a massive big roll of orange, and I did try and start using the orange, which you can see in the build, but because the centre of it doesn't fit on my Bambu Labs, it falls off. It's a pain in the ass. Anyway, so what we're currently making here is Lego dots, big Lego dots. I have no idea why. I just saw the build and thought, got it, we'll have them. So I'm using the last up of the black, and this print is a 12-hour print. I'm using up the last of my black. I've got a couple of smaller rolls situated around that need to be used up, which is what I'm going to do. I have one full roll of yellow remaining, which I'm going to keep for something else. But all being well, probably Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to take the printer apart. I'm going to film what I can. I'm going to have to work out how to do that, but I'm going to film what I can so you can see. But ultimately, you're watching Lego dots being created. Anyway, have a great day. See you again soon. Bye for now.